Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect. Today we're going to show you how to replace a refrigerator door gasket on a top freezer refrigerator. The door gasket seals the gap around the door to keep the cold air in. You might need to replace it if you notice excessive frost buildup and reduced cooling, or if the gasket is worn, cracked, or torn. Let's get started. To smooth creases and folds in the gasket, carefully warm it with a hairdryer or heat gun on a low setting. Be careful not to melt the gasket. You can also soak it in warm water. First, unplug the refrigerator or shut off the circuit breaker for the refrigerator. Pull the gasket out of the track, starting at one of the corners. You may need to tug the gasket firmly to get it started. If you have difficulty, try pulling the gasket out, starting at a spot halfway down the side of the door. Once you get the removal process started, you should be able to pull the gasket out fairly easily. Using a wet cloth, wipe the spills from inside and around the track to ensure that the new gasket fits easily in the track and seals the door properly. Starting at the top of the door, work the new door gasket into the track. Work your way down both sides of the door and across the bottom. Check for loose spots and adjust the gasket as needed for a proper fit. Spread a thin coat of petroleum jelly along the sealing surface of the door gasket to help the new gasket seal properly. Close the door and check the fit. The door gasket should fit tightly against the cabinet and door with no gaps showing. Smooth out any creases that cause gaps. Push the door gasket further into the track to eliminate gaps. Turn the refrigerator back on or restore power to the refrigerator. Use the same procedure to replace the freezer door gasket. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at SearsPartsDirect.com/DIY. We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.